Hi, today let's make Rajma Pulao. Very simple to make. In a cooker, you need to add in oil. Once the oil has been heated up, I've added in cumin seeds, then goes in some asafoetida or hing, chopped onions, and once the onion turns slightly brown or mushy, add in ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix, and then add in chopped tomatoes and give all of these ingredients a really very good mix. Once the onions, tomatoes turns mushy, add in salt to taste, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, and mix well till the raw smell goes and the onion and the oil comes out. Once the oil is out, you add in 60% cooked rajma to it, and I've added in soaked basmati rice which has been soaked for 30 minutes. Give it a good mix. Add in water. The measurements are on the screen. Now I'm squeezing in some lemon juice. I'm adding in some garam masala and kasuri methi, and just before you put the whistle, just give it a good mix, and then I like to add in ghee. It gives great flavor for this pulao. Now I'm giving around 2 whistles and my tasty rajma pulao is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.